Sanibona bafethu uvani lo. So manikhumbula kahle, I spoke about uRolani Mkwena being linked with the Yanga SC, being linked with the Orlando Pirates, and being linked with the Zamalek SC. There's a new team on the block chasing uRolani Mkwena. Manikhumbula kahle ke uRolani Mkwena ku-Wydad Casablanca waresigna khona, wadecida ukuyishiya i-Wydad Casablanca because umsebenzi wakhe wawungawugculisi i-management futhi uphinde ungayigculisi ama-fans. Ama-fans wayengekho happy ngama-results ayeba khona lapha egroundini. So umtshito wadecida ukuyishiya i-Wydad Casablanca because it was a big project for Rolani Mkwena. Njobe seyishiyile nje uyi-free agent right now, ayikho i-team ayicoachayo. Maningi-ke ama-team asekhulume nayo Rolani Mkwena ukuthi azomanager ama-team abo, njengo-Orlando Pirates, njengo-Yanga, njengo-Zamalek SC. Njoba sekukhulunyiwe-ke la sekuthiwa i-Pyramids FC iyona club le. Menikhumbula kahle ke i-Pyramids FC iyona club esathanda kuwina i-Champions League le ishaya iMamelodi Sundowns, yabo. And ucoach wakhona uKrunoslav Juraslik. uKrunoslav bafethu bambuzile, yabo. Ade bembuza kwi-interview, bambuza, okay coach, what's the future with you with the Pyramids? Washo ucoach ukuthi yes, i-achievement ngempela ukuwina i-Champions League, yabo, into enkulu ngempela kwi-career yakhe, but yena ne-Pyramids akayiboni ecoacha i-Pyramids in the future, yabo. So lokhu kuyasho ngempela ukuthi mhlambe ikhona i-project azoyicoacha enkulu after le project ye-Pyramids FC, yabo. Njoba iseshilo ke i-Pyramids FC isihambela yobheka umuntu ozomreplacer ucoach lo uKrusanov, yabo. Asazi ke yipi leyo team efuna ucoach we-Pyramids, but ke yabo, it looks like ucoach we-Pyramids uzohamba ku-Pyramids FC after winning the team i-Star, after winning the team e-Champions League, yabo. Akusizona indaba ezimnandi lezi. I'm sure nama-fans ngiyazi aphatheke kahle mase ezwa indaba ezikanje, yabo. So uRolani Mkwena ke uyena muntu ozofika athathe kuyintambo zakhe. Ngokusho la kuthiwa Rolani Mkwena is one of the Pyramids top candidates to replace uKrunoslav, yabo. Kuthiwa Pyramids have made first contact, yabo, and lokho confirmiwe kuthiwa even after winning i-CAF Champions League i-Pyramid, yabo, i-management ye-Pyramid icabanga ukuthi uKrunoslav, yabo, akaka-impress, yabo, aka-impressanga kahle. Maybe this comes after bengayiwinanga i-league, yabo. I-management ayigculisekanga ngokuthi mhlawumbe bahluleke ukuyiwina i-league, yabo. So bacabanga outside the box, ukuthi okay, njobe esho vele na uKrunoslav ukuthi i-future yakhe maybe ingenzeka isheshe iphele ku-Pyramids, let's go outside and search for ucoach ozomreplace, yabo. La e-Africa bekho baningi ocoach abaningi abayi-quality right, yabo. Singababala nje mhlawumbe bafike ku-10 ocoach abayi-quality right la e-Africa. Mina ngokwami ocoach mhlawumbe engingasho uPeter Msimane, Rolani Mkwena, ucoach we-RS Berkane, Jose Rivero maybe, but there are not many coaches like Africa abayi-quality abangakwazi ukuthatha amathimba wayise kuleli zinga leliphezulu, yabo. So uRolani Mkwena one of the best coaches ongacoacha i-team njenge-Pyramids FC. Pyramids bafethu inabadlali abaningi abayi-quality. You saw when they played against iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi le team le i-compact, le team le yalazi ibhola, le team le iqinile ngempela, yabo. uRolani masafike lapha angafika vele kwi-project esidlala leli ibhola leli selijwayele kwi-Sundowns. Bayakwazi ukuqala ibhola emuva, barelaxile, batatazele emuva, yabo. Lento efunwa uyena uRolani Mkwena, yabo. So angazi ngempela lento le ingenzeka kanjani, yabo. Sikuyashiwo la kuthiwa iZamalek i-interested ngempela kuyena uRolani Mkwena, yabo. uRolani Mkwena right now akakayenza i-decision, ama-agent akhe azokhuluma naye, yabo, amchazele about le deal le efuna ukushawa i-Pyramids, yabo. Asazi there are many teams linked to uRolani Mkwena, but I saw wish uyayijoin Orlando Pirates because Orlando Pirates for me iyona projects eyenza isense for yena umjida, yabo. And ila eSouth Africa, I know Pyramids isathanda kuwina i-Star, and i-Pyramids one of the best teams right now e-Africa edlala kahle. But come on, when you look at on the bright side, Orlando Pirates i-team vele asakayicoacha before, usezobuya manje sene-experience, yabo. Usezobuya manje enze kangconywana, yabo. Maybe fix ama-mistakes awenza the last time coaching the club. Asazi kodwa it's up to the coach. There are many projects amdingayo la e-Africa. Maybe going to iZamalek might be a downgrade if I'm not mistaken, because iZamalek bafethu Iclub rights yabo, don't get me wrong, iclub rights and ngaba khona i-rivalry emnandi for uJose and uRhulani Mkwena iphinde ibuye leyo rivalry leyo, kodwa come on yabo, maybe going to i-Pyramids ngayenza sense yabo, bangaba nayo i-rivalry futhi nakhona yabo, still the same team, same league yabo, those teams playing the same league. But ke asazi, maybe going to eTanzania ku-young Africans nakhona it's a different environment, akakaze like it's a different environment. Ocoach abaningi bala eSouth Africa bajwayele ukuya lapha. Ucoach uFaldo Davids is coaching currently there yabo, wenza kahle neSimba SC. Maybe going there, maybe spark a rivalry with uFaldo Davids might be good for uRhulani yabo, go under radar, because ibhola laseTanzania kuselona ibhola esijwayele ukuzwa ngalo kakhulu la eAfrica yabo. Maybe going there, make his mark there yabo, kungakhuphula futhi i-CV yakhe uRhulani Mkwena yabo, take the team back to i-Champions League and do well ku-Champions League. But ke it's up to the coach, uyena owaziyo ukuthi ufuna ukuyojoyinani yabo. Angazi ngempela, angazi, wangitshela ama-comments ngokwakho. Do you think it's a good choice ukuthi i-Pyramids idedele ucoach wayo uKhronoslav yabo? And maybe mdedela lo coach lo ngokwakho, yiphi club angayijoyina? I'm not saying kuzoza kwi-Pirates, don't get me wrong. I would love the guy to join Orlando Pirates because sasana kwenye Champions League yabo, unaleyo mentality leyo ungafuna ukudliwa yabo, ya shouter, he wants more kuma players wakhe. And I would really love the guy to come and join Orlando Pirates. I don't want to lie, I would really love him to join Orlando Pirates. But again, it's up to the coaches. Coach weMarumo Gallants lo sathanda kushiya iMarumo Gallants, uyena coach mina so far yabo engisabonile Orlando Pirates, engazi ukuthi sizowela kuyena. But again, nobody knows yabo, lo coach lo ngokwami, he's a good coach, but come on, for iPirates I think that's a big project for him to coach. Bano like coach abaningi ne Orlando Pirates so far abangigculisi ngaleyo ndlela, I don't wanna lie yabo. Aba-LinkedIn nje ni Orlando Pirates abangigculisi ngaleyo ndlela, because you see right now uRhulani right now amathima amakhulu aseyamfuna yabo, amathima amakhulu aseyamfuna. Orlando Pirates isithuli manje isafuna ukukhuluma. I don't know why they are quiet about the issue ya coach, because njengoba sifuna ucoach nje, sifuna ucoach ikhona soqala i-preseason. Sikwazi lokho sithenga abadlali singazi ukuthi umuphi ucoach uzocoach iPirates yabo. We cannot keep on buying players but we don't know the coach. What if the coach comes and we don't know ukuthi yabathanda yini noma akabathanda abadlali yabo? Izinto ezikanjalo ngempela zingenza ngicabanga ukuthi shoot asikho serious thina nge-league next season yabo. Misoqhubeka sithenga abadlali labadlali for ucoach osingazi ukuthi uzobasebenzisa yini, angazi ngempela. But ke Rhulani Mkwena Pyramids yabo, indaba engizizwayo lezo. Ungangitshela ama-comments ngokwakho ukuthi uzizwa kanjani. Should Rhulani Mkwena join iPyramids SC noma he should stick to Orlando Pirates because iyona interest eyaba interested again umjida?